Hey YouTube, today we have a pulse oximeter B2000 from Banggood, a very cheap one, around 8 euros. Now in the time of COVID, I think this is a nice tool to have, although you can already place a COVID test with this, of course, but this is a good device, cheap, and can help you measure your oxygen level and also your heart rate. You can find pulse oximeters from prices ranges from this one, which is, I believe it's probably one of the cheapest, around 8 euros to 20, 30, 40 or whatever. But this is reliable as well, from what I've seen in other videos. It has some instructions here, the pulse rate, blah blah blah. I'm not a doctor, of course, but it's easy to use, and we'll just open it up. The thing that you should know is that this thing does not come with batteries, so you will need two AAA batteries, I think. So it comes with a lanyard as well. I don't know if we're going to use this thing, and of course some instruction booklet. And let's see what it says here. Nothing. More than the old type. And okay, so how this thing works? It has a LED display inside. And it flashes a light. You put your finger, your index finger inside, and with this through this it counts your heart rate and your oxygen level. So let's put the batteries in, AAA batteries. And as I said in my other videos as well, if you use a electrical device, you should remove the batteries when you're not using it. So let's put the on button on, and it says oximeter here. And by pressing the on button again, we can change the orientation of the readings. So you just put your index finger. As you can see, there is a LED light here, and you just wait for a couple of seconds to take the reading. Now, as I've read, you should not have a reading of 95 or less, or 90 or less. Let's see. So my reading is 96 oxygen and 97 heart rate, 94. It deviates, so maybe I have COVID. This is not the test that is fail-proof for COVID or not, but it shows your oxygen level. Now I'm having my hand held up high, maybe that's influencing it a bit, the readings. So, but yeah, it is a reading that you should have. My heart rate is also high because probably I'm anxious. Normal heart readings should be between 60 and 90. I'm around at 100. And but yeah, at this price, I believe that this is a good buy. Now it has saturation of 98%. And it is also an indicator if you have less than 90 or less than 95, that's something perhaps not good with your health, so you should check it out. And by any means, it does not replace a COVID test. I should stress that. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.